Daniel, and this is Daniel, and this is my second bike check. Yeah, here guys. I'm running a Mirraco Velle 20.25 top tube. I am running S&M hoder bars on the front with stolen money grips. I have a stock brake lever, odyssey slik linear cable, stolen convict V2 stem on the front. Got stock forks. Odyssey has a light rim with a Odyssey Vandero hub. Oh, I also got these cool new Aaron Ross tires. Rodysseys, yeah, they're pretty sick. 2.35 ultra fat. If you can see that, super fat, super good. I jumped down about 10 stairs with them, no problems, man. It's pretty sick. So, running Colony official sprocket with stock cranks and a KMC chain, white. Eclat gonzo seat with a Colony pivotal, Colony seat post. I have an eclat x-odus rim, if you guys can see that, with red spokes and a primo hub. A primo hub with a Revenge Industries fatty tire. Hollow axle, if you guys can see that. Pretty sick titanium axle, so yeah, it's pretty sweet. Oh, and here's the hub sound, just a second. And that wraps up my bike check. Pretty sweet.